Hi guys, it's today's vlog.
That was very energetic.
And we're unboxing a mystery comic box
Again,
again. Same as last time, but a different type.
not
It's an
Marvel.
indie
It's
comic.
indie. Yep. Can you remember where it came from? I know you said it in the last one, but
It came from, what's it called? Yeah.
limited edition comics in Stevenage.
Yep.
And what's the price of it?
£5.
Shadow's gonna start barking at the dog next door. What have you been doing this week?
School.
School.
And yeah.
You're doing a presentation for the parents on Monday, aren't you?
Yeah.
For some new school classrooms. Is it classrooms?
I think so. I'm not sure. Which one is it? I can't remember.
We have comics.
Woo!
First comics, Blood Brothers.
Blood Brothers.
Okay. We have King Tiger. Ooh.
Ooh.
Blood of a King, Heart of a Tiger.
That is cool.
I'm trying to get some light on it. I have to do it at that angle. Next one is... Ooh. From the creator of Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Tales of the Vampires.
Oh, that looks awesome.
No light on them unless it's like all the way back here.
My dad's just hiding my phone a little bit more. So
Next one is Rebels.
Rebels. That looks like a cowboy one.
It looks like an American Civil War soldier. Victorious. Hero imprisoned, Double D to the rescue. Victorious. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ex-zombie. Reanimated.
Wow. If there's enough one of that, I want to get it.
Ooh!
Ooh! Turtles!
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Turtles in a half shell. Turtle power. I grew up watching the Turtles.
Another.
It's a different one though. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Another one.
Another one. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And this one is...
Next Man.
Next Men.
Maybe it's a bit like X-Men.
Maybe. Dark Horse Comics. Let's have a look. Oh, this is part 2 from one called The Peril. That one's upside down, so that must be that one. Oh, it's a double-sided comic. So you've got Next Men that side, and then Ma that side. So it's a double-sided comic. So you've got this side's Ma. It will go so far, and then can't show. And then it will the finish line. So it gets to the finish line. gets to the finish line, then it goes upside down. Next Men. Yeah, I think it's maybe a bit like X-Men, just with a different name. Who is, talking about the Turtle comics, who is your favourite turtle? Chris, who's your favourite turtle? Stop laughing.
Leo!
Leo. Leonardo.
Yours is...
Mine is Michelangelo.
And...
Let's have a look at the inside of this comic. So the cover's really nice.
Ooh.
Is this a single-sided one or double-sided? Single-sided. Very, very nice.
I'll read that every day.
So this is, I think, from David Leeson. I think David Leeson does all the
Turtle ones.
yeah, all three turtle ones say David Leeson. Any other ones you want to open up? What about the zombie one, the zombie reanimated?
Yeah.
Should we have a look at that one? It's also issue number 1, April 2017. It cost $3.50. So America. So this is issue number 1 in a line of... Ooh. Chris likes the girls on the back.
Not bad.
Okay, it's the cover is
Weird.
really good, isn't it? The detail
Yeah.
on the cover. But then when you get into
The actual
the
comic.
comic, it's more comic-y than graphic novel. It's more comical. What other ones were there? There was the zombie one, wasn't there?
That is the zombie one.
The vampire one.
Yeah.
From the creator of Buffy. So, you've seen Buffy before, haven't you? Or something like Buffy.
Yeah.
So, Buffy used to be a TV show when I was younger. Sarah Michelle Gellar from Scooby-Doo. She plays Daphne. She played Buffy.
Okay.
So she went on from slaying vampires to unmasking ghouls. Hellboy's on the back.
Hellboy. I love Hellboy.
So this is Buffy. That's Buffy and Spike. Buffy, Spike. I remember I've played iNinja. One of the advertisements in it. But that's the inside of the comic.
Showing the Hellboy.
And then on the back there's just Hellboy. This came out... When did this come out?
Put a comment saying you like or love Hellboy.
If you like Hellboy. And who your favourite turtle is as
yes.
well. Blood Brothers.
And what comic looked better out of all of them?
Blood Brothers. I bet this is a vampire one because these two guys have got fangs. Which reminds me, I put fangs in yesterday, didn't I?
Yeah, you should put them on.
Don't have them in today.
Yeah, like that.
Zombie
He's in the
dies.
background.
Eat brains, don't get shotgunned. Play free on the iPhone.
That's weird.
Blood Brothers.
Blood, bro.
Super Genius. Captain Midnight. That's the artwork inside. Pretty good. And
Is
then
that a Robinson bro?
no, I think it's just an R. And then I'm gonna yawn. Contagious. If you watch this video, you're now gonna yawn. I started off a yawn line. I yawned first, then you yawned.
Yeah.
Recording it, it's gonna start off a yawn line, isn't it? Everyone's gonna now start yawning whoever watches your video. So, they were
10.
10 indie comics that were from a mystery box.
And I think the turtles were popular ones.
You like the turtle ones, do you?
Yeah.
The 3 turtle ones. So these 3 were your favourite, were they?
Yeah.
These 3 were your favourite.
Yep.
Cool.
For the first one.
1st of January, 3rd of August, and 6th of November.
Found. Look. What am I finding?
You like the cover of this one.
Mm-hmm.
So, Chris likes the artwork on this one.
I like all of them, but that one's my favourite.
Anything else you want to add?
Oh yeah, Joker.
What about Joker? Oh, what? Oh, when we were doing the last one, when we unboxed the mini Suicide Squad figures,
Yeah.
I started going on about your Joker Teddy,
Which is here.
which is this, what he got when he had his operation, which was, I did start talking about it,
And he,
got sidetracked.
yeah.
So that's what he was on, that's what we were on about.
And anything you want to add?
No, not that I can think of.
Bye!
Adios, auf Wiedersehen, and
Goodbye.
he got it right this time.